3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Cranebird Z, and we are going to discuss about the top 9 South Indian movies with intelligent villains. July 2012.
Sir.
Ravindra Narayan is a young thug who unexpectedly helps the police to file the bank robbery of 1500 crore, which was planned by a gangster named Bittu.
లాకర్ తెరవటం మన ఆర్ట్. డబ్బులు తీసుకొని చేద్దాం.
And eventually Ravindra Narayan becomes enemy to the gangster Bittu. How this intelligent bad guy escapes from the police and fulfill his revenge on Ravindra Narayan is the plot of the film. May how the bank robbery scene was inspired from the Hollywood movie The Dark Knight, but audience can enjoy a lot of action sequences with power-packed dialogues.
ఒకటి వీడిని చూస్తే అనిపిస్తోంది డబ్బు సంపాదించడమే కాదు మోయడం కూడా కష్టమే.
నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో 2016.
నాన్న నన్నెప్పుడు వెంటాడే ఎమోషన్.
Abhishek is the son of a businessman, learns that his father once lost all his wealth because of a cunning man, Krishnamurti Kautilya.
Run, Abhi, run.
How did he took revenge on the multimillionaire Krishnamurti Kautilya, who is as smart as he is the plot of the film. The whole movie flowing with the mind games and without having any physical fights between the hero and villain stands this movie special from the any other Telugu movies. Abhimanyudu 2018. Karna is a major in the Indian Army with anger management issues. He is compelled by the circumstances to borrow a loan from the bank using the false documents for her sister's marriage.
Insufficient balance.
But after the loan sanctioned, the sanctioned money and his personal money will be vanished totally from the account. Then his investigation leads him to a hacker named White Devil. White Devil intelligently steals hundreds of crores from the people, but nobody files a single case on this issue because the loans were sanctioned by using the false documents.
ఏంటిలా సడన్ గా వదిలేసి వెళ్ళిపోయాడని నీ చెల్లెలు ఆలోచించలోగా అంతా మనోళ్లే.
Audience will enjoy the movie because of its Joker type of villainism. Tupaki 2012.
నాకు అతి తెలివి గల వాళ్ళంటే నచ్చదు.
The story runs between Jagdish, who is a
DIA డిఫెన్స్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఏజెన్సీలో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పెషలిస్ట్, మిలిటరీలో సీక్రెట్ ఏజెంట్,
and a terrorist who plans to destroy Mumbai using the sleeper cells. Sleeper cells are the people who are hypnotized and influenced for the terrorism activities. The mind game starts when Jagdish unexpectedly escapes from the bomb blast planned by the sleeper cell's leader and catches the sleeper cell behind the crime. From then, Jagdish and sleeper cell's leader starts investigating about each other in their own style, speeds up the audience heartbeat to fast, faster and fastest. Dhruva 2016.
నీ స్నేహితుడు ఎవడో తెలిస్తే నీ క్యారెక్టర్ గురించి చెప్పొచ్చు, నీ శత్రువు ఎవడో తెలిస్తే నీ కెపాసిటీ తెలుసుకోవచ్చు.
A police officer Dhruva discovers a large organized medical crime and finds the Siddharth Abhimanyu as the leader behind the crime network. The breakthrough comes where Siddharth inserts an electronic bug with GPS tracker and voice transmitter into Dhruva's body and knows the minute-to-minute updates of Dhruva's investigation about himself.
వాడు నా శత్రువు కాదు, నా ఎంప్లాయీ. నాకు వ్యతిరేకంగా ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసుకొని నాకు చెప్పే ఒక జీతం తీసుకొని ఇన్ఫార్మర్.
Audience will surely enjoy the movie because of its Tom and Jerry chase between a scientist and a police officer.
సిద్ధార్థ్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాడంటే నన్ను స్పెషల్గా ట్రీట్ చేయడం మొదలు పెట్టాడనమాట.
24/2016. The scientist Shivakumar creates a time travel watch which his evil twin brother Atreya wants to get hold of it. And years later, it leads to a bitter battle between his evil twin brother Atreya and his son. Unlike any other films, The villain in this movie don't wait to kill his enemy, and he instantly kill his enemy after he caught the time travel watch. Because of its time travel concept, the film contains a lot of multiple dimensional scenes where we can watch the same scene or same situation at the both past, present and future times. One in Okadine 2014. Gautam is a singer superstar who suffers from a psychological disorder, convinced that his parents were murdered by 3 men in his childhood.
గౌతమ్కి పాపం చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అమ్మా నాన్న లేరు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నట్టు ఊహించుకున్నాడు. వాళ్ళని ఎవరో ముగ్గురు చంపేసినట్టు, ఆ ముగ్గురు ఇతన్ని కూడా చంపడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నట్టు ఊహించుకున్నాడు.
Because of the disorder, he can't be able to find the difference between reality and imagination, which makes him hard to find the enemies of his life.
ఊపిరి తీసుకుంటున్నావు ఏంట్రా? నువ్వు ఊపిరి తీసుకుంటున్నావు అని బతకట్లేదు, నేను ఊహించుకుంటున్నాను కాబట్టి బతుకుతున్నావు.
Jaw-dropping action sequences and psychological disorder scenes with never-ending villainism placed this movie in top 3 of our list.
వాడు నన్ను చంపలేడు, నేను వాడిని చంపలేను. We need each other.
Kshanam 2016. Rishi is a non-resident Indian, comes back to India to help her ex-girlfriend Shweta, who is finding her kidnapped daughter.
నా కూతుర్ని కిడ్నాప్ చేశారు రిషి. నా కూతుర్ని వెతికి పెట్టగలవా?
But during Rishi's investigation, things went worse when none except Shweta believes that the baby girl really exists.
తనకు అసలు కూతురుందని ఎలాంటి ఎవిడెన్స్ దొరకలేదు.
ఏం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కల్పించమంటారా చెప్పండి. వాళ్ళ కూతురుందా?
ఆయన కూతురు పడా అంటే మెంటల్ ఫెయిల్ రాస్తారు కదా.
The film got a critics acclaim and good box office results because of its psychological suspense drama runs about the girls exist or not, and the mind-blowing twist with nail-biting screenplay of the smartest secret villain. And here comes our top movie of the list, Khaki 2017. The film deals about Operation Bavaria, led by cop Dheeraj, to nail down the deadly Bavarian tribe dacoits. Even the Bavarian dacoits are illiterate, but they successfully robbed and murdered the residents along the highways of Tamil Nadu from 1995 to 2005. They did not reveal any truth to police, may how brutally police torture them.
15 రోజులుగా ఒక ముసలాడిని కొట్టిన వాడు నోరు విప్పకపోవడం మాకు ఆశ్చర్యంగా అనిపించింది. నొప్పిని తట్టుకునే వాళ్ళ మనోధైర్యాన్ని, ఆచూకీ చెప్పకూడదనే లక్ష్యాన్ని మేము బ్రేక్ చేయలేకపోయాం.
Warriors are the best experts in their ultra tactics, which confuses the enemy, and it will be easy to the Bavarians to kill the enemy. And no one can find them because they hide their identity from the world. Finally, we can say this is one of the best cop thrillers ever made in the history of Indian cinema. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are gonna publish a new video every week. And which movie list you want us to prepare? Let us know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed the video.